Do you need another key for your Honda vehicle? If you only have one key for the vehicle, starts the engine. I'm going to show you how you can use Tom's car key programmer to make additional keys for your Honda vehicle. Check out this key. It's been held together with a rubber band. It's falling apart. And maybe you have a key like this. It doesn't even have any remote buttons, and you want to get a key that has buttons to lock and unlock the door. Well, we can help you with that in this process. Well, I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. Let me show you how easy it is to use our programming device to get another key made for your Honda vehicle. Come visit our website, tomskey.com, place an order, and we'll get you set up with another key at a fraction of the cost a car dealership charges. Let's take a look. To save you the time and hassle of driving all around trying to find a hardware store, locksmith, or car dealership to cut your new key, we created our Key by Photo service. Yeah, you heard that right. From your picture, we'll cut your new key before it ships. Stick around to the end to learn more. This vehicle only has a key with no remote buttons. We're going to be adding remote buttons to it. We called the Honda dealership, gave them the VIN number, and asked if it came with a trunk button or without a trunk button originally. And this one came with a trunk button. So everything should be working when we're done. This original key, I've got a tile key finder. You might want to pick one of these up on the website, protect your investment. It pairs with your smartphone, and then you can always figure out where your keys are at. Even if you've left them somewhere, you can look on the map and find out. Great little device. So included in your order, you have the installation device, whatever new keys you order. In this case, it's already come cut with our Key by Photo technology. Heads up, the printed manual is going away. Instead, easy to follow online instructions are being rolled out. So grab a smartphone and it will walk you through each step of the key pairing process. Make sure you read through this user guide in advance, get familiar with it. There's some timing requirements. You want to turn off your HVAC, your lights, anything that'll drain the battery. Inside, you need to look at the chart and find for your vehicle. In this case, we have 2012 Honda Civic. Activation code of 311. Primary dial position of 1, alternate dial position of number 2. We need to turn to dial position number 1 to get our programmer ready to go. All right, we're going to begin our programming by taking our working key. And it's important to note you must have a working key that starts the vehicle to use our programming equipment. We're going to take our working key, put it in, turn the engine to the on position. Don't start the engine. We need to take our easy installer. As long as there's no silver letters here saying void, the programmers should be good to go for your vehicle. With the engine on, we're plugging in our programmer. Come down by your gas and brake pedal. Look around until you find the OBD2 port, this guy right here. And plug the programmer in. You'll hear it beep as it gets plugged in. Hear it beep twice. The first step is pressing and releasing the button on the end here. It beeped once, and it beeped twice more. We're going to remove the key. Insert the new key. Here's our new key. Put it in, turn it to the on position, do not start the engine. It beeped twice. If you notice on the dashboard, there's a blinking green light, looks like a key. Turn off the ignition, it'll beep. Turn it on with the same key, do not start the engine. After 10 seconds, it'll beep twice. There we go. Turn the ignition off. It beeps. Turn the ignition on with the same key. Plays its happy tune. Notice the green light has turned off. And with that, this key is programmed. Get the programmer unplugged. You'll know the new key is programmed when you insert and turn the engine on. The green security light does not stay on or blink. Now, also pay attention to this. In programming the key, we've programmed the remote buttons as well. Trunk, panic. Okay, everything works. Look at that. Wasn't that easy to go from having a key with no buttons? Now we got one that has buttons and it works for the vehicle, second key. That's how easy it is for Tom's Key Company to help you make extra keys for your vehicle. You can save a bunch of money over the cost a car dealership wanted to charge. So, if you got a quote from a dealership, leave a comment down below. Let people know how much it costs for you. And once you've used our solution, let others know how easy it is for Tom's Key Company to help you make more keys for your vehicle. Now, we provide great customer service You can reach us, help@tomski.com, if you run into problems. There's also a toll-free number in the instruction manual for technical support if you're running into issues while you program your keys. And finally, we offer a full money-back guarantee. So if this doesn't work for your vehicle, don't worry about it. Send us an email and we'll try to help you out. If we still can't get it working, we'll give all your money back. It's that easy. Let me tell you more about our amazing Key by Photo service. Add that to your cart, then you simply upload photos of your existing key once you check out, and we'll cut your new keys so they arrive all ready to fit your vehicle so you can go right into programming. Now, if you order the Key by Photo service, when it arrives, check the fit, turn it over, make sure it turns the lock from both sides of the key. If for some reason it's not fitting, reach out to us, help@tomski.com. Let us know, send some photos of your existing key and the new one, and we'll get it taken care of for you. We've got solutions for a ton of different vehicles on our website, so come visit us, tomski.com.